walking around and exploring the hills of Ochi, I came across this incredible man called Prince Nyah, who makes juices out of a shack in Great Pond every day, and then after selling them he loads them into his cart and cycles into the town centre and sells them until about 2 a.m. in the morning. As I got to know him a bit more, he invited me to his home, which backed onto an incredible farm that he'd built himself, where he grew all the produce, the fruit and the veg that went into his juices. And to the side of his home he also had an amazing beehive made completely out of wood, which is where he used to create the honey that went to his juices too. If you happen to be in Ochi, please take a trip up to Great Pond and come visit. When I went to visit Prince Nya on his farm, he was busy working away at fixing the fencing, as the biggest problem of the day he had was that his goats kept coming in and eating his crops. It's amazing. It smells good?
Mm-hmm. I don't know why that is. Alright, no worries.
Ladies and gentlemen, bringers on the beat.
What's it got inside it?
Trina root sarsaparilla strong, but maybe in a raw moon, loaded with some vinegar.
taste.